Hello everyone, welcome you back on this life Funday journey with me. So let us talk some magnificent quotation today. Really, this will be amazing and it will be mind blowing for you. So let us start. So if you wanted to change your destiny, if you wanted to transform your life, if you wanted to bring amazing results in your life, so what do you think about your what you should do, where you have to bring your focus, where you have to work? Just think what exactly you need to do. So you might be confused, you might say what we should work more and we'll get more. Of course, this is the natural thing, but let me express in other ways based on that quotation. So let me tell you the quotation first. The quotation is, sow a thought, reap an action, and so an action reap a habit. So a habit reap a character, and so the character reap the destiny. Yes. So what do we understand from here? So if you wanted to do amazing things in your life, if you wanted to bring amazing changes in your life, so everything is coming from your own thoughts. How do you think? What do you exactly taking all those things throughout the day? What do you consume? What do you feed? So all these are depending in order to create the good thoughts. If you wanted to create the good thoughts throughout the day, what you should do? You should consume all this positive contents. You should associate with the positive people. You should talk with positive people. Those are having the equal mindset. Those wanted to grow in their life. Those wanted to have that growth mindset. So you have to associate with them in order to get the massive results. So that's what we need to do. We need to build knowingly good thoughts in our life. We have to consciously bring these good thoughts. So how your good thoughts will be coming? By reading books, by associating with the people. So in this way, what happened? If you will create the good thoughts, then what happened? You can start taking that action. If you wanted to take the action, if you wanted to study more, then what happened? You have to just think, yes, if I will not study, then I might be fail. I may not score good marks. So that's what you have to bring that thought. First of all, you have to just associate. You have to just take, yes, I need to study. If you don't work, whether you are in the corporate world or anything, you may not get that result. So what do you have to think first? I have to work honestly. I have to give my focus on my work. Okay, so you have to create this thought first, then you can take the action. So that's what this is very important stop, that we have to think fast, we have to think positively, then only you can take the action. And once you start taking action regularly and you are consistent on your action, then you can create a habit. If you will just take the action for a month, over a period of few days, then what happen? It will be like a habit. And once you will have this habit, then certainly you can create a character. Your mindset, your way of communication, the way of your things will eventually changed, and you feel a better life. You will have a better version. You can have a better version. You yourself think yourself after doing one thing for a month, definitely you have to think something different. So if you wanted to change your destiny, so a habit reap a character, and so the character reap the destiny. So if you wanted to create the destiny, all those things will be coming from your thoughts. So definitely you have to think seriously, you have to be seriously on your thought, what we are exactly taking the thoughts from this universe. And knowingly, consciously, if you start consuming the good thoughts, building the good thoughts, then your subconscious mind will be your friend, and your subconscious will tell you, hey, you are taking the bad thoughts, you are consuming the bad content, so please look at those positive contents, listen positive stuff, work something with the positive stuff, work, start your morning by doing some positive stuff in your life. This is what it happens. So we need to look at that perspective in order to have a better or meaningful life, meaningful things in your life. So that's what I wanted to say. Before concluding, I would say just build the new thoughts in order to get the amazing destination, amazing changes in your life. Thank you very much for watching this clip. See you in next videos. Till then, goodbye, cheers.